Here is our list of the top 5 best MP3 players you can get right now. The Hifi Walker H2 is a portable high-resolution digital audio player designed for audiophiles seeking premium sound in a compact form. It features a Texas Instruments Burr Brown PCM5102 DAC, supports a wide range of lossless audio formats, and enables gapless playback for uninterrupted listening. Its two-way Bluetooth 5.2 with Qualcomm aptX ensures high-quality wireless streaming, while USB DAC functionality enhances audio from other devices. The player offers expandable storage up to 256 GB, a 2-inch screen, intuitive ALPS scroll wheel, and robust zinc alloy build. With up to 10 hours of playback, it's ideal for music enthusiasts on the go. The FiiO M11S is a premium high-resolution digital audio player designed for audiophiles seeking exceptional sound quality and versatility. It features dual ESS-ES9038 Q2M DACs, supports up to 32-bit 384 kHz audio, DSD256, and MQA decoding, powered by a Snapdragon 660 processor on Android 10 with global SRC bypass. It offers 32 GB of internal storage, expandable to 2 TB, a 5-inch HD touchscreen, and multiple outputs. With Bluetooth 5, LDAC, Wi-Fi, USB DAC functionality, and up to 14-hour battery life, the FiiO M11S excels in both wired and wireless listening, streaming, and advanced sound customization. The Mighty 3 is a compact screen-free music player, built for offline playback of Spotify Premium and Amazon Music content, ideal for workouts, travel, and distraction-free listening. It stores over 1,000 songs on 8 GB of internal memory, supports Bluetooth and wired headphones, and offers over 8 hours of battery life. Its IPX4 water-resistant and drop-resistant build ensures durability for active use. With physical buttons, voice-over playlist navigation, and a clip-on design, it emphasizes simplicity and portability. The Mighty 3 wirelessly syncs music via Wi-Fi, auto-updates playlists overnight, and includes a high-performance stack for quality audio in a minimalist package. The Sony NW-A300 Walkman is a high-resolution portable digital audio player, tailored for audiophiles seeking premium sound quality in a compact form. Running on Android 12, it features a 3.6-inch HD touchscreen and supports various streaming apps via Wi-Fi. With 32 GB internal storage, expandable via microSD, it plays a wide range of audio formats. The device boasts Sony's S-Master HX digital amplifier and DSE Ultimate for enhanced audio fidelity. Bluetooth 5 with LDAC and aptX HD ensures high-quality wireless playback. Battery life varies from 14 to 36 hours, depending on usage and file types. The SanDisk Clip Sport Plus is a compact rugged MP3 player, ideal for active users seeking a portable screen-free music solution. With 16 GB or 32 GB of storage, it stores up to 8,000 songs and supports popular audio formats. Designed with an IPX5 water-resistant rating, it withstands sweat and light rain, perfect for workouts. The device features Bluetooth for wireless listening, a 1.44-inch color screen, and physical buttons for easy control. A built-in clip secures it during activity, and the FM radio adds listening variety. Offering up to 20 hours of battery life with wired headphones, it's a solid choice for on-the-go audio.